Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I am going to show you how you can download GameSpace on any Android phone. Now if your phone does not have this GameSpace available on it, so there's a way you can download this and also install it on your phone. So now please pay attention and don't skip any part of this video. Let me show you. Now first of all, in order to download GameSpace on any Android, you have to head over to your Chrome browser. On the Chrome browser, click the search tab and type GameSpace. GameSpace APK. Now you will see different link directing you to this GameSpace. Not all of these links that you will click on. Now to get the right GameSpace app, you just have to scroll down a bit. For me, I recommend APK Pure. So just click on it and then you will see several versions of this APK. So what you're going to do now is to download one of them. So I'll just download the second one here, and then I'll head back and then download it. It has started downloading, so you just have to wait for it to download. Let me check my progress. Wait for it to download before we can proceed with the installation. Now we are almost there. Now we have downloaded it, so it is time for the installation, which is the most important part. So now what you're going to do is to click on what you just downloaded and then install. The app has been installed. So what you're going to do next is to head back to see if it has really been installed. So just head back and then head over, and then you will see the GameSpace here. So you just click on it, agree to the terms and the condition, and then you see that it is now working fine. That is how you can download and install GameSpace. But if you do this and it did not work, what you just have to do is to download Activity Launcher on Play Store. Download Activity Launcher. Download the Activity Launcher, install it, then head back to the Activity Launcher, search inside, search GameSpace, and then launch it. That is how you can be able to do this. These are for people who have some kind of other phones like Red Magic and all that. So but if you're having a normal Android device, you can do this simple by just using the tutorial that I just used now. So this comes to the end of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.